a beautiful day for science. Welcome back to NVScienceSlides, everybody. I am back again with another video this week, and this time I promise you that it was going to be on fractions and ratios. If you look at our very long list of mathematical skills, you are here. So congratulations, the end is nigh. Before we get into this video, please make sure to like this video. I will like that you liked it, and then I will like making more slides for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you can get updated whenever I upload. I am also on social media. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. If you search for NVScienceSlides, you'll be able to find more slides there waiting for you. Now let's get back into fractions and ratios. What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. The end. I'm kidding. Now let's do an example so that I can explain this concept to you a little bit further. A fraction is a part of a whole. Now let's take a class, for example. A class of, say, 7 kids. So there are 7 kids in this classroom. 3 of them are boys and 4 of them are girls. Now I want to know what is the fraction of girls in the class. We know the part that I'm looking for is the 4 girls and the whole is 7. And therefore our fraction of girls in the classroom is 4/7. Now let's do the same thing with the boys. How many boys are in the classroom? There are 3 boys in the classroom and there are 7 kids in the whole class, and therefore the fraction of boys in the classroom is 3/7. And that is basically what a fraction is and how fractions work. So if you have any questions or there's something that isn't quite very clear for you on how fractions work, please leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to respond to you as soon as I can. Now let's move on to ratios. What is a ratio? Let's start with the definition. A ratio is basically an amount that is relative to another amount. There's an amount A and there's an amount B, and we are comparing these two amounts. And again, we'll use the same example of the class of 7 kids. So now in this class of 7 kids, remember we said there are 3 boys and there are 4 girls. So this class is basically made up of 2 parts. It's made up of part boys and it's made up of part girls. So now if I wanted to know what is the ratio of girls to boys in the class, we know that there are 4 girls and there are 3 boys. And therefore the ratio of girls to boys in this class is 4:3. But if, for example, I was to reverse this and say I want to know what is the ratio of boys to girls in the class, then you would have to say it is 3 to 4 boys. And that is basically how ratios work. Now remember, if this is not clear for you, you can just comment down below and I will respond to you as soon as I can, and also go onto my social media and I will be able to respond to you there as well. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is basically the end of fractions and ratios. I hope that everything was clear to you. And again, let's go back to our long list of mathematical skills. You will see that we have one more video on the mathematical skills to do, and that is the use of constants. So that is the next video that I'll be uploading for you guys. Thank you so much for coming here today. Bye.